Hey, yo, boss, you called for a meeting? You guys are 3 of my best lieutenants? I just thought you guys should know. We got ourselves a fucking traitor amongst us. Isn't that right, you snitching fucking bitch? Watch me blow this bitch's muffin cap back blue. Fucking beautiful titties, by the way. Unfortunately, I can't say the same for your backstabbing fucking husband over here, traitorous fucking maggot. The fuck you got to say for your fucking self?
I'm the pizza guy! I even brought the Parmesan cheese like you said over the phone! I got here, and you guys beat me and put this suit on me!
You motherfucking piece of fucking shit! I know you fucking dislike my fucking YouTube videos, son of a bitch! Who doesn't like fucking titties because you perverted piece of shit? Now get this fucking piece of shit out of here. Hey you, order another pizza. Yeah, see if they can't send a fucking Mexican this time. And don't forget the Parmesan cheese.